So today we are going to talk about Maraka planet for ascendant Aries. Okay. So what do I mean by Aries ascendant? So first of all, you have houses, right? So you have 1 to 10 houses, different houses. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, these are the 12 houses. If I say Aries ascendant, that means that 1 will be written here. Okay, and Lagna. Okay, I'm not talking about the planets here, I'm just talking about, let's say, 1 is written here, then the ascendant is Aries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so 12 different houses, and all the 12 signs are written here. First house contains Aries as an ascendant. So we are going to talk about who or how do we determine who will be the Maraka planet for ascendant Aries. Okay. So the rule that we saw in the previous lecture was that second and seventh house lordship is what you have to see, right? So if you take a look at second, okay, which is, so this is the first house, this is the second house, and this is the seventh house, right? So second house has 2 written against it, and this has 7 written against it. Okay, so what do we want to write here? So 2, that means Taurus. 7 means Libra. Okay, correct? Yeah. So 2 and 7, both the houses are ruled by Venus. Okay. So for Aries ascendant, the second and seventh house lord is Venus. So Venus is Maraka planet. Okay. Therefore, there are few conditions that we have to take a look at. Okay. So Venus should not be placed in these houses. These are, so house number 6, house number 8, and house number 12. Okay. If 6, 8, and 12 houses, if Venus is existing in these 3 houses, then there is a malefic affliction because of the nature of these 3 houses, and you might get uh, a bit bad results, right? Also, Venus should be free from affliction of malefic planet. Okay, who are the malefic planet? So planets like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, and Mars. Okay, this we covered in the previous chapter as well, that these are natural Maraka planets. So Venus should not be, basically Venus should be free from affliction. Okay, so first rule is 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 12. It should not, 6, 8, 12 houses, it should not be there. The second rule is Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Mars. It should be free from these afflictions. Okay. Suppose we will just take a rule. If Venus is sitting with Rahu for Aries ascendant, okay, then what may happen? Okay, it may cause health issues. Okay, mental issues. Okay, and relationship issues. These are the 3 major things that the native will have to be careful of. Okay, suppose it is sitting with let's say example Mars. Okay, then it can cause health issues. Again, either love or relationship issues, okay, financial issues, okay, these are the major things, okay. uh, there are other rules as well. Let's suppose if it is sitting with any other planet, maybe Ketu, Saturn, or Mercury, then there are multiple things that can happen. Primarily, Venus represents spouse, finance, speech, family, beauty, comfort, luxury. Okay, these are the major things, right? So hormones, wealth, yeah. So this is for Aries ascendant. Okay, rest will let's say if planets are also mentioned. So second and seventh, Venus is written, right? So if Venus somehow is there in, let's say, couple more rules we'll just see. If Venus is placed in this house, okay, or Venus is placed in, so these are called Kendra houses. Yeah, Venus is placed in 10th house. Debilitation and all, we will have to see those rules, but let's suppose Kendra houses, or let's suppose trine houses, which are 5, 9, and 11. Okay, then the result is will not be so much bad, right? Next, we'll take a look at Maraka planet for ascendant Taurus.